Take a look at BITCF. Currently right now at 30 cents. This is 3013. I am seeing some resistance up here where the 30-day simple moving average is, which is going to be 37.60. I want to make sure that I have the right numbers in here as well. 37.60 is going to be that 30-day simple moving average. Followed up off of that, you guys are going to have another one, the 20-day. But because of the fact that you have the 30-day there, I'm going to be more concerned with getting through that 30-day simple moving average than anything. I will put that in here as well, though. That's going to be at 34.19 for that, 34.19. There we go. So 20 and 30-day simple moving averages are going to be the ones that this one needs to get through. You guys are currently have a support line at 28 and 20. That 28 gives away. There's a very good possibility it could go down to the 20-day. But overall, right now, 193,000 shares traded on the 17th, and currently right now, 205,000. The average volume for the last 20 days has been about 707,000 shares traded. If that volume continues to start picking up, I would watch for a break of the 37.60. You guys break that 37.60, I would personally think that it would rally off of that. 28 is going to need to hold, otherwise you're going to tap 20 going off of the past here. So we'll see what Joe can add for this one. Looks like the last time we went through this one together was just about a month ago.
All right, so this one right here, they have there was the skull and crossbones because it wasn't current, but I'm seeing that on May 15th there was an attorney letter with respect to current information. So now it's pink current, but the skull and crossbones is still there. I'm not really sure why, but I'm gonna go back to the two last press releases. See, on May 5th, first Bitcoin Capital today advised the SEC of its support for pending Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange traded funds, so an ETF. So, dear commissioners, Pilwow and Stein, we first Bitcoin Capital respectively submit this letter to support of the proposed rule change to BATS BZX Rule 14.11, and more generally in support of the Securities Exchange Commission's consideration of underlying request to create a publicly traded exchange traded fund for the commodity of Bitcoin. So in regards to that, it says, as the leading public company in the Bitcoin space, we would like to present our conclusive research for your kind consideration. So it basically states, based on the research, the primary way for the SEC protects the public is through requiring adequate and accurate disclosures. And in this regard, it appears that Coin has overwhelmingly met those requirements, and the SEC has not raised the adequacy and or accuracy of the Coin disclosures as an issue. On the other hand, the concern about the lack of regulation is covered, thereby giving potential speculators and investors this knowledge to fulfill the logic behind the SEC's adequate and accurate disclosure requirements. The SEC revealed that it fears the ability, presumably of some billionaire, to manipulate Bitcoin as a commodity, yet that would likely be more difficult to accomplish than Hunt brothers achieved in their attempt to monopolize silver. So, I mean, it's more or less their comment to them in regards to whatever's going on within the Bitcoin industry and the ETF towards it. All right, so they had another press release I'm seeing over here, and it was first Bitcoin Capital acquires 4,110,504 coins known as the Internet of Money, XOMs, from active crowd sale. So that was there. It was CoinQX Exchange Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of First Bitcoin Capital Corp, BIT, with the ticker symbol BITCF, acquired the 4,110,504.06746 Internet of Money under the cryptocurrency symbol XOM from the newest initial coin offering found on the cryptocurrency market this weekend. We were able to make this acquisition utilizing 1 million Tesla coil coins from the inventory of earned Teslas. But not like many other cryptocurrencies, the first Bitcoin Capital Corp has generated, including the first ICO altcoin, the Internet of Money. Coins ride on the rails of the Bitcoin blockchain utilizing the OmniPlayer layer protocol. So it's this thing right here. I'm not really too familiar with all this stuff, the Bitcoin and everything else. I haven't really did any research on it, to be honest with you. So if you want to do more research on this company, because obviously they're, very much involved in Bitcoin, just go right over to the BITCF board on Investors Hangout. From there, you see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. As always, if you have an opinion or you know more than I do, which you should, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting it right on that board.
All right, and that's what we were talking about. 3013 resistance at 3419 and 3760. Support at 2820. A break of 3760 would turn this chart bullish. BITCF, BITCF. If you follow the stock, make sure you hit that like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it very much. And check us out live, investorshangout.com/live.